So solution of the MCQ which I have given in the previous class. The first question is, if the number of terms of 1 plus x whole to the power n be 11, then the fifth term of the series is which one of these true, right? So here number of term is 11. Here say 1 plus x whole to the power n. If we expand this binomial theorem, the number of term will be 11. Now we know that if power n, then after expansion number of term will be n plus 1, which is 11. So we will get n equals to 10. So actual expansion is 1 plus x whole to the power 10. Now we have to find the fifth term, that means t5. Now by general formula, t5 means t4 plus 1, here r equals to 4. So NCR, that means 10C4. 10C4 x to the power 4. That adds a equals to 1. 1 to the power something 1. So 10C4 x to the power 4. Now 10C4 means, what is the value of 10C4? So we will find the calculator. What is the value of 10C4? 10C4 210. Okay, so this is 210 into x to the power 4. So which one is correct? 210 into x to the power 4. Right. So B is the correct answer. Now we have to find the middle term of this second question. Here x to the power 1/3 a and minus 2x square whole to the power 6. Number term is 6, which is even. So number of term will be 6 plus 1, which is 7, which is odd. So middle term will be 7 plus 1 by 2, eighth term, that is fourth term, right? So we have to put t4 is the middle term, that means t3 plus 1, 6c3 x to the power 1/3 whole to the power 6 minus 3 into minus 1 by 2x square whole to the power 3 by formula. Now 6c3 means 6 into 5 into 4 divided by 3 into 2 into 1 into x to the power 1/3 whole cube into minus, that means minus, right? This is also minus 1 by 2 cube, means 8, and x square, here is x square, so x to the power 6, right? So 6 into 5 into 4 and 3 into 2 into 1, 3 2, 6 into 5 means 20. So 20 by 8 into x, 1/3 and 3 x, and minus 1 by x to the power 6. So 20 by 8 x to the power minus 5, right? So which one is correct? Nothing in the answer. So sorry, all the option is wrong. This is not all, this is none of this. Okay, let's correct the answer. This is none of this. Okay, so we get minus 20 by 8 x to the power minus 5, and here is 15 by 8, 15 by 8, 15 by 8. All the three numbers are wrong, right? So none of this will be the correct answer. Wait 1 minute. Right. Third option, third question, c0 plus c1x plus c2x square plus dot dot cn x to the power n. This is given 1 plus x whole to the power n equals to c0 plus c1x plus c2x square plus dot dot cn x to the power n. Now here this is given that c0 means nc0, c1 means nc1, c2 means nc2. Okay, so this is the short form. Here n is neglected in the coefficient, so this is the short form of c0, c1, cn. If n is given, then cn. Okay, now we have to find c0 plus 2c1 plus 3c2. Okay. First, as here is 3 terms, c2 is given. Okay, first we will put n equals to 3 or n equals to 2. First put n equals to 2, then we will get, if we put n equals to 2 in the expansion, then we will get 1 plus x whole square equals to c0 plus c1x plus c2x square, right? Okay, where c0 equals to, c0 means 2c0, c1 means 2c1, c2 means 2c2. Now we will solve this. So we will get c0, that means 2c0 plus 2 into 2c1 plus 3 into 2c2. Now 2c0 means 1 plus 2 into 2c2 means 2, 2 into 2c2 means 2 plus 3. So we will get 4 plus 4, which is 8. Now which one of this gives 8? 2 plus 2 means 4 into 4, 16. Now 2 cube, 8, 16, 19. So B is the correct option. Okay. Question number 4, which is given 1 plus x whole to the power 10. 1 plus x whole to the power 10 equals to c0 plus c1x plus c2x square plus c3x to the power 4 plus c10x to the power 10. Now if we put here, we have to find c0 plus c1 plus c4. If we put x equals to 1, we will get t to the power 10 equals to x equals to 1. c0 plus c1 plus c2 plus c3 plus c10. Okay, these have to find. So 2 to the power 10 is the correct answer. 2 to the power 10 equals to, we know that 1024. 2 to the power 10 equals to 1024. So B will be the correct option. Okay, 1024. So B will be the correct option. The coefficient of x to the power 8 of 1 plus x whole to the power 11. This is a simple question, right? In the previous two options, we know that the expansion of 1 plus x whole to the power n equals to c0 plus c1x plus c2x square plus dot 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 c8x to the power 8 plus c9x to the power 9 plus dot 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 plus c11x to the power 11. So the coefficient of x to the power 8 is c8, that means nc8, that means n equals to 11, 11c8. So by calculator, 11c8 equals to, which is 165, so 165. This is the correct option. Okay. 6th question, find the term independent of x in 2x plus 1 by root x whole to the power 15. This question I have already solved in the, I think, in the previous questions. Okay, Now first question, we have to find the term independent of x. As we have learned in the previous questions, we have to assume let r plus 1th term be the independent of x. So tr plus 1 equals to ncr, here n equals to 15, so 15 cr a to the power, that means 2x to the power 15 minus r, and 1 by root x whole to the power r. So 15 cr 2 to the power 15 minus r, x to the power 15 minus r, and this after calculator we get x to the power minus r by 2. So 15 cr 2 to the power 15 minus r, x to the power 15 minus r, and total power of x to the power 15 minus r by 2. So by assumption 15 minus r by 2 equals to 0. LCM 30 minus 2r minus r equals to 0. So 30 minus 3r equals to 0. So 3r equals to 30, r equals to 10. Okay, so required term will be r plus 1th term, which is 10 plus 1th term, which is 11th term. Okay, so what is the 11th term? What is the correct answer? 11th term. So A will be the correct option. Question number 7. The coefficient x to the power 7 into x square plus 1 by 4x whole to the power 11. Now x to the power 7, we have to find x to the power 7 coefficient of. Similar way, previous form, tr plus 1. So 11 cr 2x square whole to the power 11 minus r, 1 by 4x whole to the power r, 11 cr 2 to the power 11 minus r, 1 by 4 to the power r, and x square whole to the power 11 minus r, 1 by x to the power r. So after calculating, simplifying, 1 by 4 to the power r, this is x to the power 22 minus 2r, and this is will give minus r. So as this term contains x to the power 7, 22 minus 2r minus r equals to x 7, right? Coefficient 7. So 22 minus 3r equals to 7. So 3r equals to 15, r equals to 5. Now putting r equals to 5 in this term, t6 equals to 11 c5 2 to the power, coefficient will be, neglecting this term, this will be the coefficient. So 11 c5 2 to the power 11 minus 5, 1 by 4 to the power 5. Okay, so 11 c5, we know that 11 c5 equals to 462. So 462 2 to the power 6, 1 by 4 to the power 5 means 2 to the power 10. So 462 into 4 to the power 6 at 10, 4. 1 by 2 to the power 4 means 16. Now 231 by 8. 231 by 8. Which one is correct? 231 by 8. So C is correct. The last MCQ is, if the coefficient of the 2r plus 1th term and 3r plus 2th term of the expansion x square plus 1 by x whole to the 51 are equal. So this is given x square plus 1 by x whole to the power 51, right? Now we have to find 2r plus 1. So t 2r plus 1, that means r means 2r plus 1 by formula 51 c2r into x square whole to the power 51 minus 2r into 1 by x whole to the power 2r. Okay, so the coefficient, here is no constant term in the following A and B, so the coefficient will be 51C2R. Similarly 3T3R plus 2. Now according to 3R plus 1 the general term formula 51C3R plus 1 into x square whole to the power 51 minus 3R minus 1 into 1 by x whole to the power 3R plus 1. Okay, as there is no constant, so the coefficient will be this and case coefficient will be this. By the question, according to question, 51C2R equals to 51C3R plus 1. Okay, now we know that either 2R equals to 3R plus 1, that gives R plus 1 equals to 0, that gives R equals to minus 1. This is not true, as R is always a positive integer. So another is 2R plus 3R plus 1, P plus Q equals to N. N means 51. So 5R plus 1 equals to 51, 5R equals to 50, R equals to 10. Okay, so R equals to 10. C will be the patterns. So these are the solution, right? So the chapter binomial theorem is complete. In the next class I will start the correlation chapters. Okay.